Alright, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use a Visa gift card to pay for your Shein order. So load up Shein here and you want to make a purchase. For example, let's say that I want to get this sweater here. I'll just add it to my card. Okay, add card. I'll choose S, just like that, and I'll add it. Now you want to go to your card here and then select checkout. Now from here, your Visa gift card is going to count as a debit card. So we want to select credit/debit card and then choose place order. Now here, if you want to use your Visa gift card, you will input the card number, the expiration date, the CVV, which can be found at the back of your card. And also if you want to remember this card for further purchases, you will toggle this option on. And afterwards, you will just click on place order, and that's how you use your Visa gift card on Shein. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.